Hi friends, this is Vasavi. The topic I'm going to discuss today is how to view a company's master data on MCA. For that, first we need to go to MCA page and the web address for that is mca.gov.in. So, the feature or facility of viewing the details of a company or an LLP is available on the MCA website under the MCA services option on the dashboard right here. So these are all the services which are made available by MCA to the stakeholders. If you look into the left side of the page, there is this subcategory master data, under which is listed view company or LLP master data. If we click on this option, there opens a page which asks for the company or LLP name, the company SIN, FCRN, LLPIN or FLLPIN, and there is a CAPTCHA. So here you can search the name of the company. For example, let us take Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So I just enter the keywords Hindustan. As you can see, once you enter the keywords, you can choose the appropriate company from the options provided. This is the company which I want to look into. As I select the company, the SIN of the company is auto-filled. Let us fill in the CAPTCHA. Here you can see the company's master data. What is this master data? It's just few basic details of the company which have been registered on the MCA's database. So here we can see the name of the company, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, the SIN of the company, the date of its incorporation, the ROC under which it has been incorporated, what class of company it is, whether it's a public company, private company or an OPC or any other category, what category it is, whether limited by shares or limited by guarantee, what subcategory it is, whether it's a government company, non-government company or otherwise, the registered office of the company, whether it's a listed company or not, whether it is an active complaint. We even have the present authorized capital and paid up capital of the company and the date of last AGM and date of balance sheet. These details keep on changing based on the annual returns filed by the company. And other details which we can access on this page is if there are any charges listed. If the company has any charges, you can see it under this category. And you can also see all those who have been appointed on the board, that is the directors or the signatory details. These are all the directors who have been listed on the board. So that's it friends. This is a short video on how to view a company's master data. So thank you.